I haven't been able to get this to lock. And I go vertical and it just doesn't seem to want to lock. So we're gonna see what happens if I just... Man, that clip's on there tight. We're gonna start by just popping off this back piece and seeing what the heck's up with it. Alright, so here's the thought. I'm gonna put this backwards. Or put this together again backwards. And we're gonna see what's causing this to not lock. So basically we're just gonna do something a little bit unorthodox, I think. I think what I might do is I'm gonna push these springs down by hand. And take a little piece of electrical tape and just whack it over the hole. There we go, so now that's definitely pushing. And if I take my... Oh, I just heard it click. Oh. Hello? Is that a locked? Yep, I just heard a click. Yeah, there we go. See, that's nice and locked. Let's see if I can do this. Just kind of walking down. Gotcha. Oh, wow. And it said nope. And it went right back out. Alright, so we had a slight problem. The pins actually were stretching to be wider than the holes. So we got... Now I just reloaded that. So now we've got fully loaded lock that actually locks this time. Alright, so now I'm going to go test this, and we're going to see what happens. Alright, so I got this the first time. The first time I got it, and it's doing it again. It's just not locking back up. Let's see what happened with those springs, or why this is not being as nice to me as I thought it should be. Double, they're just single. Well, for one, it's probably that these are a mess. I'll have to clean those key pins up. Oh, that sounded like something fell out inside. Let's see what happens if I turn this back and shake it. Interesting. So let's just pop that C-clip off. Let's see what the deal is. And why is this not doing my bidding? Okay. Everything seems to be fine here. Let's see, is there anything that's gonna like stick on me? Alright, yeah, all these pins definitely needed good cleaning. But other than that, they seem to be fine, which I don't know if it might be the double wound springs, so I may forgo that in the final version. But that's just going to be a very long test. And I will get back to you when I've tested that theory, and we'll see where we get. But I will see you guys next time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share, tell your friends, tell your enemies, and have a great day.